Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets graphic design. Here, you'll find inspiration, tutorials, and insights into the world of art and design. From typography to branding, we'll explore a variety of techniques and styles to help you bring your vision to life. Subscribe now and join the community of design enthusiasts. Here's a sample description for your YouTube tutorial on designing a YouTube channel art banner in Adobe Photoshop. Learn how to create a stunning YouTube channel art banner in Adobe Photoshop in this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or looking to revamp your existing channel, this tutorial will show you how to create a banner that accurately reflects your brand and helps you stand out from the crowd. With easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have a beautiful channel art banner in no time. So, grab your copy of Adobe Photoshop and let's get started. Creative techniques for graphic design and art. Tips and tricks for photo and video editing. Creative projects and tutorials for using graphic design software. Behind the scenes of designing logos, brochures, and other marketing materials. Inspiration and motivation for artists and graphic designers. Collaborations with other artists and graphic designers. Discussing the latest design trends and emerging technologies. Sharing personal stories and experiences in the creative field. Thanks for watching me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, stay connected with me.